Hello everybody, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am going to be building a website very similar to this right here. It is a visitor and traffic analytics website along with some SEO tools. Basically it is kind of similar to Google Analytics, or you can say an alternative to Google Analytics, where webmasters and WordPress bloggers or anybody with a website can use this tool to track their visitors and traffic. So let's take a look at what the website is all about. And the script is called Xero SEO. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out and also see the demo here. So with this, members can come here and sign up to be able to track their visitor analytics, website analytics. It is to analyze your site information, visitor information. So here are the features that you can offer to your members. And basically it is almost like Google Analytics. It does all the similar tracking for visitors, website, even social network. And it also does have some additional features that aren't offered by Google Analytics, such as malware scanning, keyword analysis, domain analysis, and some other things. And here's a screenshot of what the members dashboard looks like when viewing your traffic stats. And once you're at the site here, you can enter in your domain. Let's say How to Webmaster. That's my website. And then you hit enter and you get this right here, a detailed report, analysis of the website. And then you click on detailed report, and here you get a more precise information on some of the website data, and then download the PDF report if you want. And this is different from the actual analytics of your website. In the backend, once you sign up, you can track your website traffic, so that's different. So this is an additional feature that is offered to visitors. But to get the traffic analytics, you need to sign up, which you can offer free. And I'll go over that after I set up my website. So this is what the visitors will see when they want to analyze their own website. So this is public information from different sources like Alexa and the domain whois information, moz information, basic things like when the domain was registered, the current name servers, link information, backlink count, moz ranking, a screenshot. So just some pretty basic things. Social networking information, how many shares my site got, keyword information, Alexa information. So it's pretty good general information for your visitors to learn about their own site. And then once they sign up, they get to track their actual website analytics or traffic. So here is the actual script at Envato or codecanyon. 5-star reviews, thousands, almost 2,000 sales, and just more information. And again, this is just like Google Analytics when people sign up to track unique visitors, page view, bounce rate, referral traffic, and just things very similar to Google Analytics. Okay, so once you make the purchase, so I already bought this script. So once you are in your dashboard at codecanyon, look for the script you just purchased. Okay, just scroll to find it. So I bought a bunch of scripts and tools and plugins here. Okay, so here it is. Click on download and just download all files and documentations. And it is quite a big file, 82.7 MB. Okay, once it's done downloading, and here is the zip file that was downloaded. Let's open that up. Okay, and just drag and drop it out to your folder or desktop or wherever you want. Okay, after dragging it out right here, let's close the zip window, open up the folder. Okay, and you can see here a bunch of folders. And the first thing you want to look for is documentation. This will tell you how to set up this script or this website. Now let's open up the index file. Okay, and here is the actual documentation, and let's scroll down and look for right here, quick start guide to learn how to install this. Okay, now we basically follow this installation tutorial guide. There is approximately 6 steps. Okay, so let's go through each one. So step 1 is already done. Download the zip package from codecanyon. Now step 2, upload to your server. Okay, let's go back. Now you need to actually upload all these folders and files right here, and you can do it multiple ways. You can do it via FTP, and what I like to do is upload it via the cPanel file manager. It is a lot faster. The only thing is you need to zip it up. So if you're using WinRAR or WinZip or 7-zip, it's free. You can just highlight everything, right click, go to 7-zip right here in the menu, and then add to a zip file. And there it is. It's compressing and adding to a zip file. This way you only need to upload one item rather than regular FTP program like FileZilla. It could be thousands of files to upload, and that may take a longer time. So you decide how you want to FTP upload to your server. So here it is. It's done. One package right here. Log into your web hosting control panel. I'm using cPanel. The majority of web hosting companies out there also uses cPanel, and it will look similar to this once you log in with your cPanel account. Go to File Manager right there. Okay, so this is what the file manager looks like. Now navigate to the public HTML. This is the root folder. So my website's domain is right here, traffic.blue, and public HTML is the root folder, which means that when you go to traffic.blue, the website will show up. And if you have a subfolder you want to install this to install this Xero SEO script to, then you would need to create a new folder, but I want to install it on my root folder. So this is it right here. It's empty. Let's click on upload, and you want to verify once again where you want to set this site up, and here it is, public HTML, the root folder. And let's go back here, and you can drag and drop the zip file just like this, or you can click here to select the file from your computer. So now it's uploading, you can see right here. In the meantime, let's go back to cPanel. We need to create some database, because later on in step 4 you need to create a MySQL database. So let's go and find that from cPanel. Once again, scroll to where it says databases, and again your layout may look a little bit different depending on your web hosting company, and then find the MySQL databases and click on that. Okay, here create a new database name. You can call it whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to call it Xero SEO. Create. Okay, success. Let's go back and scroll to the bottom here where it says add new user, and then create a new username and password. Okay, now click on create user. Okay, successfully created. Let's go back. Scroll to the bottom where it says right here add user to database, and make sure you select the correct user right here and the correct database, and click on add. And right here, manage user privileges, just select all privileges, then click make changes. Okay, success. Let's go back to the file manager, 100% uploaded the zip file. Let's go back to public HTML right here, and you can see the zip file has been uploaded. And now all you have to do is select it and click on extract. This will extract the zip file, extract the file, and there it is. Took maybe a couple seconds, and then click close, and here it is, all the files uploaded. And now you can actually delete the zip file once it's extracted to save some space. Just delete it, confirm. Now let's go and review the next step. Okay, let's navigate to the website. Alright, basically just go to your website domain, whatever it is. Mine is traffic.blue. This is where I will be setting up this analytics website. And when you first uploaded the script files, it will navigate to the actual installation folder automatically. And here it is. This is where you will enter in the database information, your company name, and then make sure over here the server requirements, everything has a check mark. If for some reason something is not enabled or you don't have the check mark, just contact your web hosting provider and ask them to enable whatever is missing. So for example, if MB string is disabled, then just ask them to enable it, or curl, or whatever other things that needs to be enabled and supported. Take a screenshot and give it to them. Okay, now let's set up the database information. The host name 99% of the time is going to be default as localhost, so just leave it as that. The database name, let's go back MySQL right here, just copy it like this and then paste it in. And now username, same thing. Make sure you copy the entire thing, the entire username with the cPanel username with the underscore, and paste it in. And the database password, you don't need to put the cPanel with the underscore for the database password, just enter it or copy and paste the exact password. Okay, here enter in your administration login email, whatever you want, even Yahoo or Google, Gmail, whatever is your email you want to use right here. Make a new password, enter in your company name or the brand name of your new site, and phone number and address. So these are actually optional. Okay, so I got my email, the password, and the company name, Traffic Blue. Let's scroll here, install Xero SEO now. Okay, we don't see any errors, that's good. Now log into your new site with the admin email and password that was just created. Okay, let's log in. Okay, the first time you log in, you will need to register with the license or the purchase code from your codecanyon. Let's go and look for that. So here, find the item, click on this download button. Right here, license, certificate, and purchase code. When you click on that, it will display the code for you, and then just copy and paste that. Okay, paste it in here, the purchase code, and click submit purchase code. Okay, if everything works with the purchase code, you will be taken to the administration dashboard right here. Everything is blank for now, no traffic data, because I haven't set this up on any website for tracking yet. But this is the back end to control your site, so there's no coding required. You can customize your site by just using these features over here. Let's go to the system and click on settings. So here you can customize things like your brand, logo, and then customize the front end. So let's check out what the front end looks like. Front end is pretty much the home page. So okay, here it is, the home page, my new site, traffic.blue, and it looks exactly like in the demo I showed you earlier. Here it is, and then you can customize pretty much everything on this page by going here, front end, change setting, and you can change the colors, link to the social media, add in your own reviews, video setting, add in your own videos, promotional videos, just like these right here, this video, customer videos. So it's very easy and it's very nice design, easy to use. Let's go back to the settings real quick. And then you can also add in your own advertisement banners and even AdSense, or promote any affiliate programs, SEO services. That's up to you. And I'll be doing more customization in part 2 of my tutorial video and building this website, traffic.blue. And I'll also be setting this up on some of my website to track the analytics to see how that works as well. So stay tuned for that. And again, I'll leave all the links down below, the tutorials, and also link to Xero SEO for you guys to check that out as well, the demo, and also my site. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments. Please leave it down in the comments. Thanks so much for viewing. Please subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more updates and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.